Hello everyone, myself Pragna BR. I am from Maharaja Institute of Technology, Mysore. In this session, I will explain about ERP contracts. Introduction. A contract is a legal bonding document between at least two or more parties defined with the governors and the rights and duties of the parties of an agreement. A contract is a legal enforceable document because it meets the requirement and approvals of the laws. Contract management systems are integrated with ERP softwares to ease the business process, such as developing contract templates and database information, inventories, etc. ERP contract management is one of the special features that can help a manual workflow and increase in the revenue. ERP contracts features are develop the customized contract templates, establish company wide contract terms, measures company impact on sales, materials and buildings, etc. Integrates materials and service requirements easily, deals with cost information, pros and cons of ERP contracts management software. The advantages are single solution, which means a large scale ERP or the service management solution can be make a number of systems and it can render the grateful information in IT management. Training is a part of an enterprise role. Training is must have an existing solution that must have as to some level of familiarity with the speed of time can be adopted. Support, which will help in comfortable supporting and extending their core lines of the application, controlling which involves the solution provided from the IT with overall management and control IT leaders and assurances. Disadvantages are simplicity. That means this can support basic requirements like legal terms, for example, need to automate many process, rental flexibility, and contract between data and workflow. Next comes cost. In ERP, enterprise solution are expensive and cross areas such as contract management. Modern startups provide purpose and building solutions, and features are functionally significantly lower in cost. Customization. Most of the companies evolve their contract and vendors management requirements. Finding the customizations are required over a time in dedication solutions. IT resources. IT resources for a non-core project can be a challenging time, which completes a large result in cross-changing department can be grown. Subject matter experience. Using internal IT system or removes the variable knowledge and resources that can be gradually alternative workflow can stakeholders support during the post and implementations, which focus on good indicators of the company and also promotes high contract management in solution product. These real estate marketing sites are valuable and related to a revenue and focus on the company. Evaluation. The lack of focus on the features unique contract management system can be result in the legal terms in other housing companies are example of ORC and AI that departing the industries. Summary. ERP solution will generally offers expectations of adds-on which provides a contract between vendors, management functionalities, and typically which narrates and compromise the purpose of the building solution as hold contract data and provides basic database alternatives. As the ERP system, contract and vendor management needs organization are simple and therefore service management solution can be taken place. They want are requires an optimized contract management process will be included and automation, collaboration, delegation, ability are analyzed. There are special solutions have edge over ERP and this brings the benefits of detailed industries, expertise and solution for the problem. Thank you.